These are Lunchables, and this is supposed to be romantic.
Oh, what's that smell? You're my only pepper. Oh, that smells even worse. Alright, let's try this.
First, let's try the real Lunchables. It's just ham, cheese, and crackers. The pizza. I mean, it ain't pizza, but it'll do. Now let's try one of the gummy ones. It's so tough to choose. Romantic. Maybe the pizza will fare better. It's just gummy stuff with like sweet syrup. Who finds this romantic? Overall, I give this I'm gonna die a very early death out of 10. Bye bye.